Welcome guys! In this video we will look at how to create an web API in ASP.NET. First open Visual Studio 2022 on your desktop. If not installed already, download it from Microsoft website and install it. Click on Create a new project. Search for Web API. Adjust drop-downs if required. Select ASP.NET Core Web API from the project templates. If you don't like the given name, change it. Otherwise, leave it as this is just a sample project, and then click Next. Click Create with default settings. You can explore with different options later. For now, these are fine. Now your project is launched. Basically, in ASP.NET.CS files will have the code. In Visual Studio, any project you create will mostly have some example code. In this Web API example, Controllers folder is where you can find the sample Web API code. Run it and see how it works. Use Ctrl plus F5 to run this program. This will open your favorite browser with an UI like this. Everything comes out of the box with zero code changes till now. We got into this page. Wonderful, isn't it? Now test it with tried out feature. Execute. And you can see the data is loaded. All the data is directly hard-coded into the code, and in the code, this is the method that is making this Web API work. Let's make a copy of it and see how we can add more Web APIs to this project. Rename as necessary. And when you want to test, press Ctrl plus F5 on your keyboard and see your browser gets refreshed. And you see an error. Let's fix this in the code. Still, there is an error. I know why is it. Let me fix it and run again. There you go. You have a new Web API added. Wonderful. Let's test this. For now, both will show same data as we just make a copy of it. You can also open this link in browser and see data there. This is also part of testing. That's it for this video. This is how you can get Web APIs created using ASP.NET. There is much more to learn in this area. See you again. Like and subscribe for more videos like this.